Hi everyone. Want to stop hair fall and grow long, healthy hair? Try this easy hair oil recipe that's been in my family for generations. It's natural, simple, and really works. Here's what you will need. 2 cups of fresh curry leaves, a teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds, 1 large cup of coconut oil. You can find curry leaves and methi seeds at any Indian grocery store. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and amino acids that stimulate hair growth and reduce hair thinning. Methi seeds strengthen roots, fight dandruff, and act as a natural preservative. They also have a cooling effect on the body, which is great during hot seasons. Dry roast the curry leaves and methi seeds in a pan on low heat until they become aromatic. This helps release their beneficial properties. Pour in the coconut oil to the pan. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Don't rush this. It's how the nutrients infuse into the oil. Turn off the heat and let the oil cool overnight. This gives everything time to settle and deepen in strength. Strain the oil and store it in a clean mason jar or bottle. Apply this oil to your scalp and hair every day or leave it overnight before washing. It's lightweight, natural, and very effective. That's it. A simple, powerful hair oil from my grandma's kitchen to yours. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. See you next time.